think Barcelona is an amazing place because there's a lot of talent, a lot of innovation, and it's good to have a good inspiration.
We are a very traditional industry, aviation. We have been doing the same business for the last 40 years. And our expectation is really to get people engaged and come with new concepts and ideas to change the future.
You can inspire other people in your vision, and you can really make something exciting, which is what our industry needs right now. We need a lot of big thinkers paving the path forward. IATA Drone Innovation Weekend was a wonderful opportunity to bring lots of stakeholders together and talk about the future of our industry. And it was wonderful to see new ideas, big ideas, and it was great to introduce those to some of the multiple stakeholders in our industry.
Digitalization of all of our communications requires that we approach the problems in a different way. I think it's exciting that IATA, representing the airline community, is engaging with the innovators and the technical talent that is entering this space and embracing it rather than pushing it back.
We have a new technology with urban air mobility that offers us opportunities that we cannot even foresee yet, and we're trying to use this kind of fresh start to generate new business models.
A fantastic experience, and the new format is fresh. The fact that we have teams together doing more brainstorming on the issue.
The support from the mentors and everyone else, and actually the knowledge in the room is quite amazing.
I think this is the future, and it's a really dynamic environment. This weekend's been really interesting for the folks involved, and I'm excited about the next round.
It was a great challenge, great competition. A lot of teams competed with amazing ideas. And being the one that was chosen as the winner makes me very proud.